cinema is in mourning as we say goodbye to one of its most legendary figures, B. Saroja Devi. At the age of 87, she leaves behind a monumental legacy in South Indian cinema. Known as Abhinay Saraswati and Kannadathu Pangili, Saroja Devi was a true icon whose career spanned over 200 films across multiple languages including Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi. Saroja Devi's cinematic journey began at just 17 years old with the Kannada classic Mahakavi Kalidasa in 1955. But it was the 1958 film Nadodi Manan that truly cemented her stardom. Opposite the legendary M.G. Ramchandran, this film made her a household name in Tamil cinema, and she quickly became one of the most sought-after actresses of her time. Throughout her remarkable career, Saroja Devi earned numerous accolades, including the prestigious Padma Shri in 1969 and the Padma Bhushan in 1992. She also received the Kalaimamani Award from Tamil Nadu and an honorary doctorate from Bangalore University. Her influence went beyond acting. Saroja Devi also served as the chairperson of the jury for the 53rd National Film Awards and was vice president of the Kannada Chalanchitra Sangha, showing her dedication to the growth of Indian cinema. Born on 7th January 1938 in Bangalore, Saroja Devi was the fourth daughter of Bhairappa, a police officer, and Rudrama, a homemaker. She faced the heartbreaking loss of her husband, Sri Harsha, in 1986, but despite the personal tragedy, she continued to shine both on screen and as a mentor to young artists. Known for her elegance, Saroja Devi set fashion trends in the 1960s with her beautiful saris, stunning jewelry, and timeless hairstyles. On screen, she captured hearts with her grace, and off-screen, her humility earned her admiration across generations. Her versatility was unmatched. Saroja Devi starred alongside the giants of Indian cinema like Sivaji Ganesan, Gemini Ganesan, N.T. Rama Rao, and Rajkumar. A record holder for starring in 161 consecutive films between 1955 and 1984, she remains a true pioneer in Indian film history. Though Saroja Devi may no longer be with us, her legacy will live on forever. She will continue to inspire future generations of filmmakers and actors, and her influence will be felt for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tributes to the legends of Indian cinema. Sonakshi Sinha, the talented Bollywood actress, is all set to return to the big screen with her new film Nikita Roy, which has been delayed by 3 weeks. But despite the delay, Sonakshi is as grounded as ever when it comes to her career. Sonakshi recently shared how she views her work in an open conversation. She said, "I want anything that is different from what I've done before and that challenges me. Those are my checkboxes. You pick and choose from what comes your way. But after doing good work, you're in a position to say, I deserve better than this. In the past 15 years, I've grown up in front of the camera. It's been a wholesome journey, the good, the bad, the ugly. The good thing is, Bollywood doesn't have the power to devastate me because I see my work as a part of life. My whole life doesn't revolve around it. There's a lot to life outside of work. So, nothing has the power to devastate me in that way. It's clear that, even while chasing powerful roles, Sonakshi has found a balance between work and life. From headlining action-packed films like Dabangg and A. Rajkumar to taking on more author-backed roles like Dahad and Heer Mandi, Sonakshi has embraced change in her career. She explains, "I want anything that is different from what I've done before and that challenges me. Those are my checkboxes." In her latest film, Nikita Roy, Sonakshi plays an author whose disbelief in the supernatural is challenged. The film, which also stars Paresh Rawal, Arjun Rampal, and Suhail Nayyar, was initially set for a June release but got postponed to avoid a clash with Kajol's Ma. Sonakshi agrees with the decision, saying, "This was the producer's call because, at the end of the day, it's their money invested. When things are cluttered, there is no point in coming and not getting the shows we expected. It was a wise business decision." Now, you might think that Sonakshi's brother Kush Sinha being the director of Nikita Roy would create some family drama, but she laughs and sets the record straight. I went on set thinking we might have our sibling squabbles. But it was professional. On set, I was the actor and he was the director. And that's how they kept it, strictly business. So, whether it's navigating career shifts or embracing new challenges, Sonakshi remains focused on growing both as an actress and as a person. Urvashi Rautela joined a long list of Indian celebrities flying to London for Wimbledon. But this time, it's not just her stunning look making headlines, it's the trolls and some hilarious background photobombs. Urvashi attended the women's singles final and shared pictures and videos from the event. She captioned one post, "Princess of Wales Hush Middleton, truly an honor to meet you. Meeting the is a joy divine Wimbledon 2025 finals." And that caption became the talk of the town, or should we say, the meme of the hour. One Instagram user trolled her with, "From 1 kilometer away, not even looking at you." But wait, there's more. Fans noticed a guy sitting behind Urvashi in some photos, making hilarious faces in the background. Comments poured in like, "That guy in a blue t-shirt, in the background, ruined all photos." So Urvashi has become the first actress from India again in this category. And another user asked, "Am I the only one to see the guy making faces behind?" And if the trolls weren't enough, people also noticed something unique. Urvashi carried 4 Labubu dolls hanging on her Hermes Birkin handbag. Fans had a field day with this too. First Indian woman to carry 4 Labubus. And Labubus on Birkin in Wimbledon, only Urvashi can do it. One user joked, "First Indian woman to start the trend of 4 Labubus hanging on a Birkin." Now, let's talk about that gorgeous Wimbledon look. Urvashi wore an ivory middle-length dress with sateen shoulder straps tied in bows, a sweetheart neckline, and a corseted bodice. The dress featured a cinched waist, a flowy skirt, and delicate floral embroidery, sprinkled with sequin embellishments for a glittery touch. She accessorized with a white and gold bracelet watch, gold bracelets, high heels, and of course, that leather Hermes handbag with the Labubu dolls. Her hair was styled in a messy ponytail with defined waves, while her makeup included darkened brows, blush, coal-lined eyes, mascara, glossy caramel pink lips, glowing highlighter, and smoky brown eyeshadow. So, while Urvashi's style was definitely on point, the internet had plenty of fun with her caption, background photobombs, and those quirky Labubu dolls. What do you think? Does Urvashi deserve all the trolls, or are they just having a laugh? Let us know in the comments. Looks like friendship and trolling go hand in hand, especially when you're Harsh Beniwal and Ashish Chanchlani. On Saturday, Ashish Chanchlani posted a super romantic photo with actress Ellie Avram. In the picture, Ashish is holding Ellie in his arms while she smiles with a bouquet of roses. The caption, just one word, finally. Of course, fans went crazy. Rumors started flying. Are they dating? Is it a promo? No one knows for sure. But this isn't the first time they've been seen together. Remember the L-List event in February 2025? Yep, they walked the red carpet side by side, with Ellie holding Ashish's arm. And then, just one day later, Harsh Beniwal jumps in with his own hilarious twist. He posts an AI-edited picture of himself with former adult film star Mia Khalifa and uses the exact same caption, finally. Fans immediately caught the joke. One user wrote, "Ashish ko troll kyun kar raha bhai?" Another added, "Chanchlani walked so Harsh bhai could run." And someone summed it up perfectly, true friend behavior. Even RJ Mehwish joined in, wondering if the whole Ellie Ashish moment is just a prank. She said, Me who is still waiting for, finally, के बाद का sentence prank हुआ to make IT happen now. Ashish Chanchlani, now 31, is a top Indian YouTuber known for his hilarious sketches. He's currently working on Ekaki, a horror comedy series that he's writing, directing, and producing himself. Ellie Aviaram, who is 34, became famous in India after Bigg Boss 7 in 2013. Since then, she's acted in several Bollywood films like Mickey Virus, Naam Shabana, and Goodbye. So, is Ashish really dating Ellie? Or is this just an epic prank war with Harsh Beniwal? We'll let you decide. Bollywood's beloved couple Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt have recently returned to Mumbai after a dreamy family vacation in London, accompanied by their adorable daughter, Raha. The couple has once again made it clear how much they value their daughter's privacy, with Ranbir seen carefully holding Raha close to his chest, shielding her face from the cameras. This protective gesture highlights their ongoing commitment to giving Raha a peaceful and private childhood away from the media glare. The family's London trip included Ranbir's mother, Neetu Kapoor, who was also spotted at the airport in Mumbai last week, smiling and posing for the paparazzi alongside Ranbir and Alia. During their time in London, Ranbir was also seen engaging warmly with fans, smiling and shaking hands, showing his friendly side even while keeping his daughter's privacy intact. Earlier in the trip, both Ranbir and Alia made a polite but firm request to the paparazzi, urging them not to click photos of their daughter. This request reflects the couple's careful approach to parenting in the public eye. Since Raha's birth, Ranbir and Alia have maintained a clear boundary, prioritizing her well-being over media attention. Their effort to keep Raha away from the camera flashes is appreciated by fans and the public alike, respecting their desire for normalcy amid their celebrity status. As Ranbir and Alia balance their flourishing careers with parenthood, their protective attitude towards Raha stands out. Ranbir is gearing up to play Lord Rama in Nitesh Tiwari's ambitious Ramayan, releasing in 2 parts in 2026 and 2027. Meanwhile, Alia awaits the release of her spy action film Alpha, set for December 2025, and the couple will soon share the screen with Vicky Kaushal in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Love and War. In the midst of their busy schedules, Ranbir and Alia's priority remains clear: safeguarding their daughter's privacy and providing her with a peaceful childhood away from the public eye. Last night, Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan was spotted enjoying a casual outing with his girlfriend, actress and singer Sabah Azad at Juhu PVR. Videos from the evening quickly went viral on social media, but not all the attention was positive. In one video, Hrithik is seen leaving the theatre and heading to his car. As two little fans call out excitedly, Girish, Hrithik Roshan, a bodyguard gently moves the kids away from the car. This moment sparked disappointment among netizens who felt the actor ignored the young fans. One user wrote, "वो तो मूवी के प्रमोशन के टाइम किसी को नहीं इग्नोर करेगा." Another added, "बच्चे का भी दिल नहीं देखा इनको." And a third said, "Little boy will always remember this. He should have stopped for 1 second." On the style front, Hrithik kept it cool and casual, wearing a plain white t-shirt paired with black cargo pants, topped off with a white button-down jacket and matching white hat. Sabah looked effortlessly chic in a black backless bodysuit matched with relaxed fit baggy jeans. Hrithik and Sabah reportedly began dating in 2022. Their relationship became public after being spotted on a dinner date in February and was confirmed when they appeared holding hands at Karan Johar's 50th birthday party. Meanwhile, Hrithik recently wrapped up shooting for the much-anticipated War 2, directed by Ayan Mukherjee and co-starring Kiara Advani and J.R. NTR. He shared heartfelt moments from the wrap party on Instagram, bidding goodbye to his iconic character, Major Kabir Dhaliwal. Before this, Hrithik was seen in Fighter, an aerial action film starring Deepika Padukone, Karan Singh Grover, and Anil Kapoor. The film received mixed reviews but showcased Hrithik's intense action skills. While Hrithik continues to enjoy success on screen, last night's video reminds us how closely fans watch their favorite stars and how important every interaction can be, especially with little fans.